Welcome to ScanPower. I wanted to walk you through how to create your first shipment and show you some of my favorite features. I know it can be really overwhelming when you start something new or when you're trying to bring over inventory or a shipment plan from another site. ScanPower makes it very straightforward and as easy as possible. I am going to start by going to the prep and ship button, and it lands me to this page. You can either push import and pull a shipment in that you started in a different inventory management system, or we can hit the plus button and open up a new batch. We are sending this one in. You can see it's FBA and not merchant, which is great. We can track our merchant product, but we'll save that for another time. At this point, if you use the ScanPower app on your phone and you have a buy list, you can click this button and pull it over. If you do not have a buy list started and you do not need to import anything, I'm going to go ahead and copy my ASIN in and tell Amazon exactly how many units I will be sending, and I'm going to add this to a batch. And of course, we can repeat this step as many times as we need to make sure that we get all of the inventory we want to send out. I tend to case pack, so I will just be sending this most likely in one box. Let's walk through it. At this point, ScanPower is creating the listing in your Amazon catalog, and you will have to wait for that to happen. And you will also see if there's any warnings, like you're gated. You'll see here a notice here to let you know there's an issue with an item. Once our item has fully loaded, you can then decide what type of shipment you'll be sending. I am less than a truckload. You can also push this button and print your FNSKU labels. If you click this button, you can add a tag. This is a great feature if you want to let somebody who's prepping your product know that this is going to be a 2-pack. They need to remove price tags. There's any sort of special handling included. The nice thing about ScanPower is you can start and finish your shipment here. You can see I added a couple more items to the shipment. Before we move on, I am going to make sure I let Amazon know that no prep is needed for this product, and we are going to create a shipment plan. You can see here I have an issue with this product. I need to actually go in Amazon and make sure all the information is inputted correctly into the listing. So what I'm going to do is remove it from this shipment so I can move on. All right, next we need to confirm our placement option. ScanPower is going to give you all of your shipping options. You can see here everything is going into one box, and it is going to Florida for $450. Option 2, we are going to Tennessee all in one box. Option 3, we're going to New Mexico for $850 shipping. Option 4, it's getting split into 2 shipments. Placement fees are $425. Placement option 5, we have 2 shipments. You can see here where they're going. And option 6, no placement fees, but we are going in 5 shipments. So plan accordingly. I'm actually going to pick this one. We're going to Florida. Next, we are confirming placement option. First thing we're going to do here is select a box template. If you use the same size boxes all the time, you can save them here. So instead of uploading the dimensions each time, you just know, okay, this is the size of this box, and it saves you a couple minutes. So when we get to this page, we can select exactly what box size we are pulling for this shipment. We can print our FNSKU labels here. We are going to confirm and continue. You can download pack lists, print box labels, print pallet labels. I am ready to go. You can see here my shipment was accepted, so I am just going to finish up with the details. It is a pretty small shipment. I'm not using freight. I need to generate my transportation costs, so it's going to show you how much you're going to pay now in fees to actually get this product out the door. If you decide you get this far and you don't want to finish, something is wrong, you want to add more to your order, you can cancel the shipment here. If there's anything wrong, you can hit this button down here and request help at any time, which is a fantastic feature. Submit a ticket, ask a question, get some help. This is live customer service. I hope this was helpful.